that there are 6 levels of speech or communication. The first level is a command. The second is obligation. In crisis situations, it is best to use 1, command, and number 2, obligation. We cannot use 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's give an example. Okay? You will stay 6 feet away from each other. Or please stay 6 feet away from each other. Use a use statement. Okay? Please kindly stay 6 feet away from each other. Kindly observe the maximum number of people in a room. Okay? And they feel, oh, thank you for reminding me. That is the reaction. Thank you for reminding me. If you give them a threat, they will hate you. They will not like it. They might even, violate it just because they dislike you. But issuing advice and commands politely even gets cooperation of others. If commands use the word you, or please stay 6 feet away, obligation is using a we or us. We or us statement. So reminder team, we should stay 6 feet away from each other. Reminder team, you can enter a conference room. If you see it's overloaded, you can just open the door. And if the door's open, you can just say, team, reminder, we should observe maximum capacity of rooms. But we can never use the others. I suggest is soft, even a question, can you stay 6 feet away from me? Preference, I think we should stay 6 feet away from each other. And the last one, you are too close. So, cannot use 3, 4, 5, and 6. Because that means you're giving the person the benefit of choice. You are too close. How will the other person react? No, I'm not too close. It's okay. I don't have the virus anyway. See? But a command is very direct. Please stay 6 feet away from me. Or we should observe disinfection. Or please do not go beyond the border or the barrier. Please stand behind the shield. And people will know that they need to comply with a specific direction. Again, before I leave this slide, I will no longer ask you to chat with me here. Your instructions should come in the form of command. Wait a minute. Thank you. Temperature check first. Temperature check. Okay, please observe one-way entry, one-way exit. Please observe the social distancing markers on the floor. The command should be direct. But do not forget the please. Do not forget the kindly. When you've reminded somebody twice or thrice, that's when you remove the please or the kindly. Because if a person does not follow even after 2 or 3 reminders, you can remove the please or the kindly so your command carries some force or authority.
Hi, this is Louis Banta, CEO and Chief Consultant of LJMB. Thank you for watching my webinar, and to watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.